Good afternoon. Welcome to this session on rater's error in performance management. Why there will be a rater's error while performance appraisal process or performance management process? Research consistently reveals that humans have tremendous limitations in processing information. Because we are so limited, we often use heuristics or simplifying mechanisms to make judgments, whether about investments or about people. These heuristics, which appear often in subjective measurements of performance, can lead to rater errors. Performance evaluations may also be purposefully distorted. What are the types of rater's errors? First, similar to me. It is the error we make when we judge others, those who are similar to us, more highly than those who are not. Most of us tend to think of ourselves as effective or if others are like us in race, gender, background, attitudes or beliefs. We assume that they too are effective. The second is contrast. Contrast error occurs when we compare individuals with one another instead of against an objective standard. If the competent employee receives lower than deserved ratings because of the outstanding colleague, that is contrast error. Next, distributional error. Distributional errors are the result of a rater's tendency to use only one part of the rating scale. Here we have three categories of distributional errors. The first one is leniency. It occurs when a rater assigns high ratings to all employees. Next, followed by strictness. It occurs when a manager gives low rating to all employees. That is, it holds all employees to unreasonably high standards. The third in the order is central tendency. It reflects that a manager rates all of employees in the middle of the scale. These errors pose two problems. First, they make it difficult to distinguish among employees rated by the same person. Second, they can create problems in comparing the performance of individuals rated by different raters. If one rater is lenient and the other is strict, employees of the strict rater will receive significantly fewer rewards than those rated by the lenient rater. The last type of error we can find is halo or horn. These errors refers to a failure to distinguish among different aspects of performance. Halo error occurs when one positive performance aspect causes the rater to rate all aspects of performance positively. For example, professors who are rated as outstanding researchers because they are known to be outstanding teachers. Horns means errors works in the opposite direction. One negative aspect results in the rating assigning low ratings to all other aspects. Halo and horn errors preclude making the necessary distinctions between strong and weak performance. Halo error leads to employees believing that no aspect of the performance need improvement. Horn effects make employees frustrated and defensive.